the press conference. मुखेल सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार प्रत्येक अधिवेशनात पंचायतीचेर खूब चर्चा जाता, खंयच्या सब्जेक्टाचेर चर्चा जाता जे आमकां 14 फायनान्स फंड्स आशिल्ले तेजे आदी 13 फायनान्स कमिशन आनी आतां 15 फायनान्स कमिशन, दुसरे GIA फंड्स जे आमकां आसतात आनी दुसरे जे पंचायत तेंचे ओन फंड्स आसतात. इतले फंड्स आसतना आमी कितें पळयता की फावो ते डेव्हलपमेंट विकास पंचायतींनी तांकां करपाक फावो ते प्रमाणे मेळना. कित्याक मेळना? प्रोसिजर कितें आशिल्ली? प्रोसिजर सिंपल, एक स्टेप. पयलीं कितें आदी प्रपोजल आसलो, respective panchayat to forward resolution to BDO, JE to prepare estimate along with NIT and forward to BDO's office. आता आमी टेक्निकल सेल केला. ओके, टेक्निकल सेल केल्ले कारणान ह्यो फायल्यो BDO ऑफिसांतसून खंय वयताल्यो PWD. They have their own work, the engineers, so it is to get held up for months together. No file is to be cleared before 2 or 3 months. कितल्योशे पावट्यो ते मारतले. आता आमी 3 स्टेप केला फकत. In effect actually 2 steps, and I want to explain what are these steps. If you go through this, I have made it even simpler in writing. Panchayat takes resolution and mark to BDO. Proposed procedure, Panchayat resolution mark to JE of BDO, no changes. JE of BDO prepares estimate, send it to BDO. JE of BDO prepares estimate along with NIT and send to BDO. आता कितें केला? Estimates and NIT are clubbed together, so one step is saved, time is saved. Okay, when he sends to our technical cell, both the things are achieved of preparing the estimate as well as NIT. नाजाल्यार एक टायमा वयचे पडटा. Second, BDO to send estimate to PWD for technical sanction. Next procedure, sanctioning of the technical sanction will be faster, obviously, because it is your own technical cell. Okay, Magi PWD would give technical sanction, return file to BDO, who in turn would return to Panchayat for making NIT. Proposed, technical cell and NIT approved by AE and a Panchayat department. A lot of time is saved as now technical sanction is given by AE of the department. Time is saved as Panchayat does not have to send the file again to BDO for approval and NIT, as estimates and NIT approved by AE. Mistakes in NIT will be reduced as NIT will be approved by AE as they are technical experts. आता proposed procedure, पयली कितें आसले? Preparation of NIT by Panchayat and submission to BDO. NIT is approved by AE and AE of Panchayat. Department at the time of approval estimates. एक step बन जाता. So one trip from Panchayat to BDO is not necessary. Understood, no? I hope you have understood it. Tender floated by Panchayat. They say power are taking over. Moment estimates are prepared, okay, and NIT is also done by our technical cell. The power to invite tender remains with the Panchayat. So where the power of the Panchayat is removed, this is the first step what we are taking. The second step I want to mention to you is Panchayats will make comparative statement and send to E through BDO's office. Thereafter approval of executive engineer of comparative statement and directly send to the Panchayat of respective village Panchayat for issue of work order. Okay, tendering त्यांचे work order सरपंच issue करतलो. So where power is removed, I want to know. So entire thing, if you go through this, it has been explained here. Okay, work order is issued by him, tender is issued by this also given by him. So where there is question of taking away the power. Thereafter you should know this, works up till 2 lakhs under 14th of Finance Commission. Okay, after obtaining technical sanction from PWD, administrative financially approved by PWD. पहिले PWD कडे वयताले जे महिन्याचे महिने वयताले up to 2 lakhs under 14 or 15 finance after obtaining TS from AE of technical cell will be administratively and financially approved by BDO. Okay, the existing power of BDO to accept tender, give administrative and financial sanction up to 2 lakhs per work are maintained. This is cleared at the BDO's office itself through the JE up till 2 lakhs. So even that power, where some sarpanch is speaking for BDO, it is a very funny thing. Some sarpanches are speaking for BDO and BDOs are speaking for sarpanches. Why? You try to tell me the reason. At the end of it, I will tell you. Okay? Then works up till 5 lakhs in general and 10 lakhs in specific cases under Panchayat Fund. After obtaining technical sanction from AE of technical cell are administratively and financially approved by BDO. The existing power of BDO to give administrative and financial sanction up to 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs per work are maintained at BDO. Okay? So, nowhere in actual parlance we have taken away the power. It is only some people feel that perhaps going to PWD, where the files used to remain for months together, महिन्याचे महिने उरताले ते बरे आसले म्हणून. तुझे technical cell, तुझे own department आसा. Sarpanch has to only go to BDO and then the technical cell when they forward the file there. Tendering त्यांच्या हातीन आहा. Okay, work order त्यांच्या हातीन आहा. बिल सुद्धा पेमेंट जाता त्यांना मागीर सँक्शन येतकच त्यांच्या हातीन आसा. सो हुंच्या वदान त्यांचे पावर आमी काढला. Bills of contractor will be certified for payment only after test checking the quality of work by AE for works costing above 2 lakhs. Works up to 2 lakhs will be approved by BDO. This will not even come to technical sanction. Above 2 lakhs will go to technical sanction. So what is the case of the sarpanches? I fail to understand. म्हणजे तांकां नाका आमी काम कितें केलां तें चॅकूय केलां करप whether work has been done properly. Is it what that they want or they are demanding by protesting? This is, we are purely following CPWD manual and also Central Vigilance Commission guidelines. We cannot bypass that. Even if it was bypassed in the past and not given heed to, now everything is transparent. Nowadays everything is on social media. Everything is being closely monitored. We can't take chances and be sort of backward as far as implementing CPWD manual as well as CVC guidelines. At least I don't want to be found lacking. And time and again there have been instances where it has been pointed out, procedures have not been followed, and we don't want it to become a very big issue in the future. Magi payment to contractor by Panchayat Sarpanch. Power of making payment to the contractor is maintained with the Panchayat, that is the Sarpanch. So what way power is removed, you tell me. That's why if you go through this, which has been explained very clearly, with where I can give you the copies, you will know that no power has been curtailed. I don't know why so much noise is there as far as issuing this particular circular. We have further fine-tuned the circular and made it even more simpler. Procedure is very simple. I tumka sangla tashe. Normal procedure of this what work will require. A resolution is passed by the panchayat. After resolution is passed, estimates are prepared. Magi technical sanction होयतले. आता आमचे ओन टेक्निकल सेल जाल्ले कारणान एकदा PWD धाडपाक गरज ना आणि बरोबर तुका एस्टिमेट एज वेल एज टेक्निकल सँक्शन येता. सो एक स्टेप तुजो सेव जाता, म्हयन्याचे म्हयने सेव जाता. Because and they will be responsible because they are technical people, whether it is executive engineer, AE or JE, they will be held responsible. Hinga kide, what has come to my knowledge, that some videos, very few, just a handful, a couple maybe, they are somehow feeling that power has been removed from them and given to our this executive engineer or assistant engineer. But as per CPWD manual, they are not authorized to certify the bills. It is only executive engineer who has to do it according to the amount. It is only the AE who can do it. And only up till 2 lakhs, JE can do it. That is at the BDO level. They should understand this. And by this, only one thing will happen. I want to tell very frankly. In the past, it has come to my notice. There are some panchayats, I don't want to name them, but if necessary in future, I will produce with evidence. They used to do work, without doing the work, bills used to be certified by certain people sitting in the office. This practice will totally stop as a result of the technical cell. Nobody will dare to take the chance. So is this hurting some people? I want to ask. हे कितें आमी कितें स्ट्रीमलायन करपाक सोदता, सिम्प्लिफाय करपाक सोदता. दुसरें, आमकां पयले लास्ट इयर सुद्दां 14th फायनान्स कमिशन आमकां फकत 36 crore मेळ्ळेले. हे लास्ट टायम एक प्रेजेंटेशन जालें when 15th फायनान्स कमिशन चेअरमॅन NK Singh came. I made a presentation on behalf of Panchayat. I said I want to improve the situation in all the panchayats. We need some funds if Goa is going to progress. And I am very happy to announce that they gave us 75 crores for the first time, double, almost double the amount, more than double I think. 75 crores they have given us. So when you utilize this 75 crores, naturally there has to be a procedure. Naturally we have to follow the CPWD manual. Naturally we have to follow CVC guidelines. So we are only following everything to the hill. And whether tendering, whether issuing work order, whether making the payment, this remains with the panchayat. तेंचे वयल्यान डिफिकल्ट काम आहा तें आमी करता. तेंचे जे कठीण काम आसतालें हिंगा धांव थिंगा धांव हे इंजिनियरा धर PWD थिंगा धर who had lot of other responsibilities, that is totally taken over by the directorate itself to their technical cell. They are facilitating faster work. So now they should decide whether they want fast work, बेगीन काम जाल्ली काय नाका ते.
तुमकां दिसता की तुमी जे सगळे स्ट्रीमलायन करून लायनीन हाडूंक सोदता पळय तांकां नाका जाला?
ते तुमी चिंतपाचें आनी लोकांनी चिंतपाचें. हिंगा हांव स्पश्टपणे सांगता, प्रोसिजर जी आसली ती प्रोसिजर अशी आसली की टायम कन्ज्युमींग. म्हणजे एक डिपार्टमेंट आसून दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटाक फायल टेक्निकल सँक्शन हाडपाक एस्टिमेट करपाक वयताली. BDO वा JE पावर फकत 2 लाखांचो आसतालो. तेजे वयर दुसरे इंजिनियरा वयताले. PWD ताका दुसरें काम आसता. फायलो एक एकदां नाच जाताल्यो आनी कामच जायनासली. आनी हे कारणां लागून आदीं फ्रॉम 14th फायनान्स कमिशन or even I am privy to information 13th Finance Commission funds used to remain unutilized or they used to go back. Now after I have come, every sarpanch I made a call, please send proposal, and they started sending proposal. I must also congratulate the sarpanches. Now they have become conscious. They are sending more and more proposals, more and more developmental works to be done under 14th Finance Commission. Now it will be 15th Finance Commission. तशें ते काम करपाक लागला. आनी तुमकां खबर आसा पयलीं गार्बेज कलेक्शन तितलें सायंटिफिकली जायनासलें. गार्बेज अशीच कशें कलेक्ट करताले. आतां NGT आमच्या माथ्यार बसलेले आहा, हायकोर्ट आमच्या माथ्यार बसलेले आसा. म्हाज्या डायरेक्टरान अफिडेवीट दिला की आमी स्ट्रीमलायन करता म्हणून. सो जबाबदारी कोणाची जाता? आमची जाता न्ही. आनी ताका लागून हे फंड्स युटिलायज जे आमी म्हणटा क्लीन एंड ग्रीन गोवा, आमचे नितळ आमी गोंय दवरया, अशेंच आमी दवरपाक शकता.
So you spoke about some certain BDOs might be there or certain sarpanches. What happens if आतां इंजिनियरांक बिलां सँक्शन करची पडटली जाल्यार असले इंजिनियरूय थोडे मेळले जाल्यार then how transparency?
No, as far as the technical job is concerned, it cannot be done by a non-technical person. Let us be very clear. And when CPWD manual specifies all that, naturally we have to follow the procedure.
Correct.
Now at the moment we recently there were for 1 year almost engineers who were promoted from JE to AE in the panchayat department. They had no work. Literally they were just sitting without any work. Now we have made the technical cell, so we are utilizing them. We have taken place in Miles High, a brand new premises. Today they sit in that Miles High. So that place also is utilized. Further, we want to shift the entire panchayat department there because we are paying rent. Only the interiors are not done. Masha postponed zala. So we are going to streamline the entire functioning. And when they see that we utilize the funds, more and more infrastructure works are coming up. And when they give funds, finance commission, tied funds and untied astat. Tied funds astat, it is for a specific purpose. Like for example, I will tell you, they can be utilized for sanitation and maintenance of open defecation free status, supply of drinking water, harvesting and water recycle. It can be used tied fund. Untied funds can be used for other developmental works.
So what will happen if because whenever you all come out with a circular and पंचायतीचे सरपंचाचे त्यांच्या सेक्रेटरी कोणा सदांच म्हणणें आसा की आमकां नोटिफिकेशन पावंक ना सर्कुलर पावंक ना वी कॅनॉट डू एनीथिंग
No.
सो तुमचं नोटिफिकेशन व सर्कुलर तांकां पावला बाय वेन इट वूड बी इम्प्लिमेंटेड
No. See, the previous circular was issued on 31st July. Then certain suggestions came, and I am always open to suggestion, constructive suggestion, and you have incorporated all that and further simplified without diluting, following the CPWD manual and also CVC guideline. Taking that as the guidance, we have further simplified, wherein they will appreciate the circular when they go through it carefully. My earnest request, सगळे सरपंचा लागीं एकूच माझी मागणी, सारको सर्क्युलर वाचा, सारको प्रोसिजर पळोवन घेया आनी सेक्रेटरीनूय तांकां एक्सप्लेन करचें, BDOनूय तांकां एक्सप्लेन करचें कोणाक समजणी ना तांकां, आनी ही जे दुसरें पान दिल्लें आसा हेजेर आनी सिम्प्लिफाय करून एक्सप्लेन केलें. सो एकदां हें तांकां कळ्ळें म्हाका दिसना कितेंच डिफिकल्टी येतली.
बट इट इज ऑलरेडी एनफोर्स्ड नाव.
Yes, it is going to be enforced immediately.
How long it will take to approve the technical side of the files?
See, as I look at it, minimum it used to take at least 2 or 3 weeks when it used to go to PWD for a simple estimate to be made. That also if they personally follow it up. I can tell you, तेंचे जे दिसा रेजोल्यूशन येता 7 दिसां भितर तांकां एस्टिमेट्स करून मेळटले. ते उपरांत तांकां TS, that is technical sanction, in the same amount of time they will get it. So both the things they will get in less than 8 to 10 days. It will go to the BDO and it will also go to the panchayat, and thereafter they will be able to issue the work order. So how much time is saved, you see, how much fast the work will be done. ते तुम्ही पळोवन घेवपाक जाय.
ओके.